It's a glorious day at Cabinet Joint. I'm Nick. I'm here to talk to you today about one of our most common questions I receive on the phone. Can I get samples? Figuring out the right option for you is really why we're shooting this video. So today we'll discuss the three primary options we have regarding samples. One being a sample kit in multiple different options within the sample kits. We have sample blocks, and then we also have sample doors, as you can see here behind me. So let's just talk briefly about our sample kits. Our kits come in a box of about 15 or so different sample options. We have our Colourtone kit, stain option, species, and these are about 4 inches by 6 inches. Really great swatches to get an idea of the color that you may want to be choosing for your project. Another option is going to be our sample blocks. These are about 14 inches by 6 inches and just have a little bit better representation, especially when it comes to some of your stain options, seeing a little bit more of the grain pattern, seeing a little bit more of that color variation, but also giving you an idea where you don't need maybe a whole door. Okay, so sample blocks. And then the last option, which is a little bit more complicated because this one is our sample door. Sample doors are going to give you the best representation of your grain patterns that you're choosing. The substrate being the species, the different cut of wood. In this case, we're looking at a standard white oak. Gives you a good idea of your stain or your paint option, as well as the actual door style. We have many door styles and many different finish options. So if you're choosing something that's going to be a little bit more intricate, like some of these intricate moldings and raised panels and things like that, a sample door really should be something that you're looking to purchase, as well as anything with a higher price species, your white oak, your walnut. All of these, we really want to see you get this in hand so you can truly see the color variation that you can expect over a whole job. So when it comes to which sample set is going to be right for you, we do ask that you would have already received a quote. You're already working with a cabinet coach, and so you can email them and find out for sure which option would be best for you. Our goal is that you would purchase the cabinets, that you'd fall in love with the finish option, then fall in love with one of our door styles, and that this would be the kitchen or project of your dreams. And so what we will do is we will refund you for the cost of samples at the time of purchase, not to exceed 2% of your overall job. One of the reasons we do that is we don't want you just ordering all these samples and just wasting money purchasing samples. So we'd like you to get a quote first, make sure that it aligns with your budget expectations, and then should you purchase those cabinets from us, we'd be happy to refund you that cost and discount your overall price up to 2% of the overall job cost. So again, if you have any questions, give us a call, 888-211-6482. I look forward to getting you some samples.